After 5 years of construction, the hiking trail around MT.CHIAKSAN is ready to meet hikers. Its length reaches 140 kilometers. The trail is expected to become a new tourist attraction in the southern Gangwon region.
A serene path stretching along a lush forest. Wildflowers mesmerize hikers. The soothing murmur of water flowing in a nearby valley makes one feel at peace. After 5 years of construction, the 치악산 hiking trail is ready to welcome visitors.
걷기가 너무나 좋은 길이어서 제 지인들이 원주에 찾아오면 그분들을 모시고 꼭 치악산 둘레길을 11코스를 꼭 모두 다 걸어보고 싶습니다.
140 kilometers in length, it passes through 3 cities and counties of southern Gangwon. Consisting of 11 routes, the trail wraps around Mount 치악산. It passes famous local attractions including Gukhyangsa Temple, which was built during Silla King Gyeongsun and where Joseon King Taejo held worship rites, Taejongdae Resort Park where Joseon King Taejong stayed, and Yongso-mak Cathedral. Hikers can choose from a variety of trails including those running around 치악산 Natural Forest and an 8-kilometer birch trail. Most of the routes are located on low hills and are easy to hike even for children and seniors.
연간 55만 명이 방문하여서 지역 상권에 큰 도움이 될 것으로 기대하고 있습니다. 주변 관광 자원과 연계해서 체리형 관광 명소를 거듭날 것으로 기대하고 있습니다.
The government of Wonju City plans to develop the trails into a top tourist attraction connected to other local tourist sites, such as the Sogumsan Suspension Bridge.